Say hi, everybody. I'm a little bit scared. Just laugh until I cry. What you need? You have so many problems until you have a health problem, and then you've only got one problem. Good morning.
And the date on the back said 1958. Two lovers laughing on the porch of the first house. Cottage Street in 1944. 'Cause I believe art by fate.
So I just did heaps of washing this morning. I've just looked outside and it's raining. 2 loads of washing that are now wet. We love to see it. And now they're hanging up inside. Stunning.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like...
Good morning. It is currently Tuesday. I possibly had the worst night's sleep of my life last night. I am very, very sick at the moment. You know when you have that cough that, I know this is gonna sound really gross, but you know when you have that cough that nothing helps, like the Difflam didn't help, the Strepsils, the Buttermenthols, literally nothing. And my throat and my stomach, they just feel so like raw and gross, and like I've just used absolutely every muscle in my body to like cough. I don't know, it all sounds really gross, but today I'm just gonna treat as a complete rot day. Hey Ziggy, Ziggy, stop. Sorry if you can hear that in the background, the boys are chewing on a toy. My only goal is to try and finish this book, and yeah, I'm just feeling really, really awful today, and it is okay for your days to not be perfect and fun. I'm just gonna be here in my favorite woody reading a book that I'm... Oh, boys, please. The dogs are not helping. I'm hoping I can really get into this book. I'm about that far through and I'm not loving it at the moment. I love this little town, so hopefully I can get into it. But that is gonna be me for today. It's currently 3:30 on Thursday. I haven't been well. I have not been well. I haven't got much sleep in the past 3 nights because I have just been coughing non-stop. Like, my throat is so sore. I feel like I've got abs now. Do I have abs? I feel like I've just been coughing and using my entire body just to survive, essentially, and it's not been fun. So that's why I haven't picked up the camera in a couple of days. But I've just had an everything shower and I'm feeling a little bit better. I haven't been coughing as much today, so hopefully I can continue with the weekly vlog and it will be something worth watching. I don't know, I'm in a little, pardon me, I'm in a little bit of a slump at the moment. I don't really know what to do or what to film. I actually read this quote the other day. It's like, you have so many problems until you have a health problem, and then you've only got one problem. That has just been in my head and I'm just trying to get better before I do anything, but that also means that this vlog is probably like 2 minutes long at the moment, maybe 3 minutes, I don't know. That's where I've been. I've not been well. Let's get on with the rest of the day. I'm also super happy to announce that I'm out of my Tortured Poets Department repeat phase. I've found one song that I like. So I'm slowly fading out of the initial obsession that I had with that album. And this one song that got me out of that little slump there was By Dirt by Jordan Davis and Luke Bryan. It is just the most wholesome country song and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm gonna clean up the kitchen a bit and listen to this one on repeat. I'm definitely a repeat girl at heart. If you're not a repeat person, I'm so sorry, but you're probably gonna hear this song for the next couple weeks. At least in some point in my vlog anyway.
By dirt, you don't ring, let your knee hit the ground. We call it work.
Oh, I just love it. It's so wholesome.
We call it work. We're sitting out back in the rock and add a few lips to your family tree.
Just laugh until I cry. I'm just here at where Rowan works and he's currently wrapping his motorbike, which is really, really cool. And I'm going to show you the before and then the after. It's very cool.
I've got the bloody chicken tray thing reflecting in it. It's never not going to be yellow. We just got some Red Rooster for dinner on our way home, and I can't remember the last time I had Red Rooster, so I'll let you know how it goes.
It has been a very long night. The Red Rooster was okay. Not as good as I remember it, but also not as bad as half the other fast food places, so I'll take that as a win. But quickly, before I head to bed, I'm just going to chat a little bit about this book. So I have been on this book for a while, up until I hit chapter 9. Cosmo and Ziggy are just playing with their toys, as always, in the background. If you hear anything, it's always just them. I had been on this book for like a month maybe, until I hit chapter 9. And then I literally sped through the last bit in like 2 days. So safe to say that once you hit chapter 9, it is just such a good book. It is so good. But it took a long, actually how many pages until chapter 9? So the first 75 pages are so slow, which is actually, it's quite a big chunk of the book. But yeah, I literally flew through the last bit of the book so quickly, and I just love being back in this little town. I don't know if there's actually going to be a third book or if this is it. This book felt so nostalgic, and I didn't see the plot twist coming at the end. Crazy. I really don't know how to talk about books very well, and also my voice is still so... like every time I talk, it's just painful, and it's been like this for like a week. Anyway, this book literally had me in happy tears by the end, so it was definitely worth it to just push through that little bit at the start. And yeah, it just became such a good book. I think I rated it about 4 stars. It's not the best book I've ever read, but just because it's got that nostalgic feeling, like that little small town romance feel. As always, there is a little bit of spice in this book, so if you do pick it up, just be aware of that. I love this little book, and it was so much fun to read once I got past the first little bit that just dragged on for so long. But yeah, that is my little book review on Travis. So today we're going to go for a bit of a shop at Coles, because when my parents were here, they very kindly gave us some gift cards so we can shop at a big supermarket now, not just Aldi. Let's go see what the difference is, because we haven't been to Coles or Woolies for like a proper shop in a really long time, and as we all know, Aldi doesn't have everything available. The boys always want to hop in the car as I back out. Actually, once Rowan gets to go, I'm going to need the key. Hang on. Okay, got the keys. I'm a little bit scared. I'm very, very nervous when I film in public. Oh, but we'll see how we go. Oh, my car needs a service. I think I'll book that in soon. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think it's really cool when I see other people filming in public, but it's just such a scary thing to me. Oh my god, the amount of times I've nearly run into this van. Oh, I'm literally like, oh my god, am I gonna hit it? I'm a little bit worried. I'm gonna face my fears. I'm gonna film in public. Let's see how I go. I love this song at the moment. Hi. Are you ready for Coles?
It's exciting.
It is exciting because we always do Aldi. As I mentioned yesterday. Yeah. Every time I film in my car, I think it's just such a fun little thing. This is my repeat song. Do you need a big one? Yeah. Yeah. For some reason I feel so embarrassed, and this whole experience is just so chaotic trying to film in here. I just feel so awkward and nervous, I don't know. I can see you, but I can't see Cosmo or Ziggy. Oh my goodness, Cosmo's so heavy! Oh. Hi Zig! Oh. Do I have a grocery haul for you? I feel like we bought out the entire store. Let's do a quick little speedy run through. We need to have lunch together. You can't just take the one
This is full of onion.
I took 5 sausages out of that.
Oh, so you've already had your share.
Yeah.
Oh, now the truth comes out.
So I guess I won't be talking for the next minute and a half because now the microwave's on. So I personally love a good grocery haul, but a lot of people don't. So I'm gonna make this quick and I'm just gonna pack away as I go. In no particular order. Butter beans, fruit bars, 2 packs of tissues, 2 wall adapters, celery, pasta, full cream milk, crushed tomatoes, multigrain bread, potatoes, wraps, strawberries, mini apple, butter, Yopro yogurt, regular yogurt, big cheese, apple pie, pineapple juice, Worcestershire sauce. I can't take myself seriously when I say that. Cold and flu and toothpaste. I got this juice because I really want to try and get into juices without any artificial stuff in it. And this one looks really good. We also got vanilla Coke and lime Coke. I've never heard of lime Coke before, but we'll definitely try this once it's cold. Next bag. Rowan got his favorite Boss coffee. Tonight we'll have the chicken that's already defrosted. Sunday will be spaghetti. I'm only keeping out the spaghetti mince and putting everything else in the freezer. Cool. Diced chicken, beef ragu, beef stroganoff, slow cooked boneless pork shank, yum. 2 500-gram grass-fed beef mince, tongue twister. 2 500-gram grass-fed beef mince. Carrots, bananas, and 2 big bags of oranges. And that is everything we got in our shop today. Also, surely I'm not the only one that stresses about this, but when we just went to shop at Coles, we pretty much only ever shop at Aldi, and when we just went to shop at Coles, we took our Aldi bags. Tell me why I was so stressed. Like I feel like I don't want to bring other competitors' bags into the supermarket that I'm going into. Like, I take these ones to Aldi, I have a couple of Woolies ones in my car, but I don't have any Coles bags, and I felt so stressed at the checkout pulling out my Aldi bags. Like, I felt like everyone was watching me. Does anyone else have this stress, or is it just me? It might be just me. But yeah, I absolutely hate going into places with other bags. I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm a traitor. I don't know how to articulate the words, but I don't like it at all. I don't like it one bit. So earlier I mentioned that we picked up a lime flavored Coke and we're gonna try it for the first time. Oh, I thought you were gonna miss out on the cheers. Is it smelling right?
I think fine.
Cheers. Can't even taste the lime. Can you taste the lime?
Not really.
That was really disappointing.
Maybe a little bit.
Just like regular Coke.
Yeah. Bit of letdown.
Yeah, well, that was uneventful. Just tastes like regular Coke. While I'm here, I thought I would also try my little juice. It has watermelon, apple, strawberry, mint, and beetroot. It has a cute little thing on here that says "Thanks a melon." I love that. I love cute packaging. Cheers. I'm not sure if I like that or not. I don't really like that. Maybe the mint? Definitely not my favourite thing I've ever tasted. We're fighting each other.
Maybe you can use the other stick to throw in there.
What is happening? What if I just voluntarily jumped off the boat? Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're about to smash me with that crane.
No.